Hello and namaskar to all my friends. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel One World Infinite. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. Okay, so today I am going to talking about something very basic, very fundamental that is in our life. That is soil. That is soil. When I am talking about soil in Indian culture, we respect, we gratitude soil as our mother. Soil as our mother because our biological mother giving birth to us, and it is the soil that is the sustaining our body. And when we talk about our physical existence, when we are talking about our physical existence, our body is nothing but only heaps of soil. Basically what we eat, our food, it is coming from this earth. So our body is nothing but a heaps of soil. So the more richer the soil, the more greater and the better are our existence. But the scientists are saying that in the next 40 years, next 20 years, 40% of India's soil going to uncultivable. That means you cannot do nothing with soil. It is a great concern for us. If 40% of soil going uncultivable, we must to taking care of our soil because it is the very basis of our existence. When we are talking about soil, when you are talking about tree, the earth, the air that we breathe, the space, the sky, everything, that is nothing. That is life-making material. That is very source. That is living creation that existence us in past. That is why the most our body is getting exposure with this earth. It is very better for our inner substance also. That is why you see in the past many sadhus and yogis and sannyasis, they are doing their sadhanas in the cave because they want to feel protected with that cocoon in the universe, in the earth. So that's why the more our body is getting exposed with the soil, the more better it is. But the unfortunate reality is our modern mother don't want let their child to expose with the soil because they think it is dirt. Their child's sons or daughters hand getting dirt, but it is not. We must understand what we call as mud bath in the ultra modern reality. It is that existence, it is that soil that we are getting exposed. So soil is not only a material, there is millions of microbes existing in this soil. So basically the more richer soil, the more richer it will be. And soil is not only, I am talking many times because soil is not only a material, it is a living reality. Because when we put the soil, when we put the rice seed in the soil never mistake that rice seed become a guava tree. No, rice seed always will be rice seed. If you put pumpkin seed, it is always the pumpkin seed. It's never mistake. So it is the greater intelligence that beyond us, and the soil can only be richer. And a tree is never hesitate to put. Look, a tree is never hesitate to put its root deep into the earth because it's know the more greater and better more depth going into the earth is its root, the more better it will be nourished, it will be flourished. So that is the whole way. So the same way human being also we must to expose our existence with that, and the soil will be more richer because in India ancient time the soil is getting richer by as you can see, by the cow dung and the tree leaves. But because already cow is domesticated, cow already gone, so there is no chances of going cow dung into the soil, because very few people have cow only right in India. And tree also many time we exporting into the different things, so that also very different thing. So the more organic material going to the soil, it is better for us, because in this huge cost existence, whatever we are saying, maybe a little pin or a supercomputer, it is only a manifestation of soil, because whatever coming is from soil. What is our body we call, it is a million times of soil, because we take this body as a loan from this universe, and it will again go into this back to the universe. So it's a process, it's a layer, it's coming and it's going. So without the rich soil and without the abundance of water, this universe cannot be flourished, because whatever whatever we can talk, but without the quality of better food, whatever the food is coming from, but where the food is coming, it is definitely coming from the soil. So the better quality of the soil and the better quality of the air that we breathe, we must understand that what we call our life, it is 50% hang in the soil, 50% hang in the tree, because 50% of our existence we taking the oxygen, it is in they are giving. So if they not give us, our existence is in danger. So pure air, richer soil, and great abundance water, that's the material of life. We must taking care of this. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you definitely going to love it. Thank you so very much. Namaskar. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay joyful, stay blessed. Have a great life ahead. Thank you so much.